Hi everyone, myself Vikas and today we are discussing topic of class 10th which is electricity. So what is electricity? So it can be defined as the rate of amount of flowing charge, or we can say that the amount of charge flowing through a particular area in a unit time. So it is called electric current. So we can define electric current as the rate of flowing charges in a particular area in a unit time. So it can be expressed as the electric current is denoted by the symbol I, and we can write it I is equal to Q by T. Here Q is the charge and T is the time. So what is charge? Now coming on, what is charge? It is a physical quantity of a matter due to which it experiences force when placed in an electric field or magnetic field. Now how can we calculate a charge? Charge can be calculated by this formula: Q is equal to NE. Here N is the number of electron and E is the charge on electron, which we know that it is minus 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb. Coulomb is the SI unit of charge. Now by putting this value in this, we get I is equal to NE by T. So we get new formula to calculate the electric current. Now the SI unit of electric current. The SI unit of electric current is given as I is equal to, as we know that the SI unit of charge is what? Coulomb. So coulomb, and the time is second. So we get coulomb per second, and we know that it can be written as ampere. So the SI unit of electric current is ampere and coulomb per second. So now we get the SI unit of electric current. So to measure electric current in a given electric circuit, we use ammeter. How? And we connect the ammeter in series, as this is an electric bulb and this is a battery. So if we have to calculate the electric current flowing in this circuit, we have to connect an ammeter in series like this. This is the battery, this is positive terminal and this is negative terminal of the battery. So the direction of the electric current is from higher potential to lower potential. The higher potential is the positive terminal of battery, so the direction is like this, and to the negative terminal of the battery, which is called the lower potential. So positive terminal of the battery is called the higher potential and negative terminal of the battery is called lower potential. And to measure an electric current in this circuit, we required an ammeter, and which is connected in series like this. So this is positive and this is negative. Now coming on to the topic, next topic, which is electric potential. So what is electric potential? It is the work done on a unit charge to bring it from one place to another. So what is electric potential? It is the work done on a unit charge to bring it from one place to another. So electric potential can be used, is derived by the symbol V. So V is equal to W by Q. Here W is the work done on the unit charge, Q is the charge, and V is the electric potential, or we say it electric potential or potential difference. So the SI unit of potential difference can be calculated as work done is equal to joule and Q, charge, is coulomb. So we get joule per coulomb. The SI unit of electric potential comes out to be joule per coulomb, or the other unit is, we say that it is volt. We use the SI unit of potential difference as volt. Next, after getting this formula, we can calculate the value of potential difference as W is the work done and Q is the charge. So to know that what amount of potential difference a battery is giving, or what amount of potential difference is flowing across in the circuit, as this is a bulb, this is the ammeter we use to calculate electric current, and this is the battery. So to know the amount of potential difference in this circuit across the bulb, so we will connect here a voltmeter, and the voltmeter will be connected in parallel to this element. So we have to connect the voltmeter across parallel and the ammeter in series to calculate the electric current, and voltmeter in parallel to calculate the potential difference across any given element. So we studied so far here the electric current, what is electric current, what is potential difference, and what is the SI unit of electric current, what is the SI unit of potential difference, how we have to calculate the current in a given circuit, and how we have to calculate the potential difference in a given circuit. Thank you.